Hey folks, what's going on? Just wanted to give a quick unboxing of these Galaxy Buds 2 Pro earphones that I got with my Samsung credit when I pre-ordered my Galaxy Fold 4. Okay, I already opened the box, but I just wanted to show you what was in it and give a quick opinion about what's in this box here. Okay, so here I already sliced this open. So you have your earbuds here, okay? So you open it up, okay? And when they go in your ear, they are this way, which was weird because when I put them in upside down by accident. But they seem to fit pretty well. I'm a little disappointed that they didn't give you another set of these, usually like different sizes, for people that have different size ear openings, okay? But they seem to fit pretty well. They didn't fall out right away. This is here. It's a very soft, very flimsy rubber there, okay? So I'm not really impressed by that. I like it when the earphones come with different size, what do you call it here? The box being all white, well, not the box, the holder, you know, I'm anticipating it getting dirty over time, and I'm not looking forward to that. The earphones, you know, of course you wipe them out all the time, but you know, just this going in and out of your pocket or whatever you carry it in, you know, you anticipate it getting dirty. So that's what they look like here. They do seem to fit pretty well. These are magnetized here. You can kind of hear it snap in. Okay, they don't come out very easily. I mean, I shook that pretty hard, but let me see if I can give it another shake here. Okay, well, but I don't anticipate anybody really slamming this, but they go in pretty well in here. So this is what I wanted to point out. This here, you get a cable. So tell me how you get a cable with the earphones, the earbuds, but you don't get one with the phone. That makes absolutely no goddamn sense. Okay, again, this is what's in it. This doesn't come out, so there's no, I'm not anticipating any plastic tips. This is glued in there, you know, so there's no plastic tips that I was looking for here. Oh no, wait a minute, I'll take that back. Guys, I'll take that back. So there are some rubber tips in here, okay, different sizes, okay. I take that back, what I said about being disappointed about them not including it. I will try the plastic, the spare tips in there, different sizes, to see if I feel any differently about the fit. Okay, so we solved that problem. Thank God I looked in there. But this here is ridiculous. You get a cable with the earphones, but you don't get one with the phone. That makes absolutely no sense to me. I don't know, Samsung. I don't know who makes these decisions on what products get what accessories, but this is a little unexpected here. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this back in real quick. I'm not ready to play with these yet because my phone is still updating. I didn't have a chance to really sit down with the Fold 4 today because I was running around and I didn't feel like dealing with that just yet. So I will give an update on these probably later during the week or next week to see how I like them. Right now I am using these headphones, so I'll be comparing them to these. I like taking these to the gym. These are pretty good. They fit very well when I'm working out in the gym. I've never had a problem with these, and they sound good. So I'll be comparing them to these most likely when I give an update on these headphones. What's in here? Just, I guess, literature and stuff like that. Okay, so again, if you are ordering your phone and you have an opportunity to get these, I probably would not order the white again. I probably would, if they had another color, I would probably get that because I didn't think that the box would come in white. I mean, not the box, but the the actual holder itself, the holder and charger. You don't get a cable with the phone, but you get a cable with these. So if you order the phone, it might be a good idea to, you know, use your credits to get a set of headphones just so you can have an extra cable. Okay, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.